applying the condensed glue gels, which is the first step from our 3-step methods crystal trifecta. If you have troubleshootings with your crystal placement, this is going to be your bestie. I was never betrayed on you. I'm not sure about the other bestie, but this bestie will never betray on you. All right, so floating right on the top of the condensed glue gels. All right, I'm gonna add this beauty right in the middle. It's kind of really heavy. It's like it's falling right. All right. I'm obsessed with this pumpkin spice. I want the biggest one right there, and do another one. Too big, too small. I'm gonna add some beads on. Angela, are you gonna come in to our grand openings? The showroom is coming in October. Please stay tuned for the date. Can't wait to all the Glitz babe to able to make it. All right, so I'm moving on, adding beads on. Sorry, I was like really into it, and I said, oh my god, I have ideas great for my nails for the show, because we'll have show back to back, so I need to do 2 sets of nails for myself. Thank you, Mika, great job. It's awesome. This woman's like behind the scene. Awesome. We've been working a lot to get ready for the showroom. The first purpose of it to get in your class, and then also like it's really easy for ours because the is expanding, with the company expanding, and we want to get is like so much better. A lot of different products to get easy to pull out the orders, make it faster. And then but then it's a lot of locals. People will love to come in to able to look at the product. So here you go, you asked for it and we made it happen. Someone adds this beautiful frame on. You can just leave it go without the frame, or you can add some frame on. And it's really cool that it curves right into the nail, so you don't have to worry about is it too much. You okay, babe? Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this. It's definitely fall. Well, I don't know if I want to end the summer yet, but a lot of you were asking, when the fall designs. This is one of my favorite seasons. I don't know which one is my favorites, because I like Christmas, I like Valentine decoration. I like them all. I like Easter also. Christmas, fall is beautiful, like a beautiful like season as well. All right, so I'm really happy with this. I think it's more like I'm talking than I'm doing, but if you're doing it like with your clients, it's probably take you about 5 minutes or 7 minutes. Oh, actually, I'm looking at my clocks here when I video.